Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate the installation and the use of autopsy for forensic analysis on Windows. Here we are at the download webpage of autopsy.com, and for today's demonstration we will use an older version of autopsy instead of the latest one, which is autopsy 4.16. So we will go to the GitHub to download it. It's not on the first page, so I go to the second page, and here is autopsy 4.16, and click on the assets, as we are going to use it on Windows 64-bit. So we will download autopsy 4.16.0 64-bit.msi. Okay, let's see if it's done. Alright, so it has been downloaded. Then we can either we can try to run it from the browser, or we can open up File Explorer and run autopsy from here. Right, so the installation is quite straightforward. So we just click on Next to install it. Okay, as I have already installed it, so I'm not going to click on Next. So I will just click on Finish. Right. Okay, so now let's run autopsy. Okay, as we can see here, autopsy is loading. And we will create a new case for this demo, and we will use the hacking case involving the Dell notebook. And here I have already downloaded the Ncase image files, part 1 and part 2. Right. Okay, so here we choose new case. I'll just give it a case name, the same as the image file, and for the purpose of this demo I will not enter any other information, so I can just click Finish. As you can see here, autopsy prompted me to select my data source. So I can click on Next, and now I just need to open my encase image file. So I just need to choose the first part, .e01. Click on next. And here I just select all to let autopsy perform all kinds of analysis. Next. Okay, so here I can click finish, and as you can see, autopsy has already performed some preliminary analysis on image, while in the background it is still processing some further analysis on the image file, as we can see at the bottom status information on the file. Alright, so now we have our data source here, so we can double click to open it, and we can right click on our data source and choose view summary information to get a glimpse of the basic information about this image. And here we can see that it is running. It is contains Windows XP operating system, and we can also see the MD5 hash value for the disk image here, right? And here we can see that the whole disk image contains one partition with some unallocated space in front and after it, right? So we just open up this NTFS file system, the volume on the image, and here we can browse the image just like we browse a regular file system. For example, here I can go into the Windows directory on the file system image, and here it shows the files under the Windows directory, right? As we can see here, right? So it's Windows under volume 2 of this 4Del latitude cp.e01 encase image. And one particular file as we can see here, is directly under the root directory, usually called the C drive for Windows. Right, so we go back to the NTFS volume. Under the root directory, we will see a boot.ini file. And here we choose the text tab. And we can see this is Microsoft Windows XP Professional version. Of the Windows system, right? So here is just a way that you can examine the files on this disk image. Now let's see how can we examine the Windows registry for the disk image. Autopsy organized the information about the registry for the disk image under Windows System 32 configure. Right. And here, let's see, we want to check out a registry under system. Right, so here it shows the sub registry keys under the system. And here, let's see one key under control set 1. Control. So here is just like how you will explore the registry using the registry editor on a Windows system. So we can find there's a key, registry key called time zone information. And here we can see the value for the name for this time zone information is Central Standard Time, meaning that the time zone configured for this Windows XP Professional system is Central Time Zone. Alright, that's how you can examine the files and Windows registry key values from autopsy. So next, another useful feature of autopsy is it will automatically extract all the files that it can recognize. Right. So here we can see on the left side we have views, file type, and if we expand that, we will actually see the image files, video files, audio files, archive files, databases extracted from the disk image by autopsy. For example, if we go to images, we will see all the different kinds of image files successfully extracted by autopsy. And we can say open the file, right? It shows the image at the bottom. Alright, that's all I want to cover in this video. I hope that will help you gain deeper understanding on how to use autopsy for forensic analysis. Thank you for watching. See you.